Hi guys, today we are going to make no stir zucchini risotto. Now, everybody loves risotto. It's that yummy Italian rice, but nobody likes to cook it because you have to babysit it on the stovetop and stir it so you make sure that it's not sticking to the bottom, but not this recipe. So start by preheating your oven to 350 and then boiling 4 cups of bone broth. Now I'm going to shred my zucchini. Isn't this a beautiful summer zucchini? We're gonna shred it all up. And oops, I have a bad spot. And then we're gonna add some garlic to the zucchini. And just about the time that our bone broth is boiling. So we're gonna add that zucchini mixture with the garlic, and then we're gonna add 2 cups of risotto. We're gonna give it some salt, and then we're gonna give it a stir, and we're gonna get, onion powder. I forgot about that because my family doesn't eat onions, so I had to do powder. Now we're gonna cover it and put it in the oven at 350. We're gonna bake it for 40 minutes. Meanwhile, we're gonna get the rest of the ingredients going. We're going to do the zest of 1 lemon, the juice of 1 lemon, 1 cup of grated Parmesan, and 4 tablespoons of butter. Now, as soon as that 40 minutes is up, you're going to give it a stir, and then you're gonna add some salt, and you're gonna add all that yummy Parmesan and butter and lemon mixture, and you're gonna stir it all up, and guys, that's it. This recipe is so good. Abby and I loved taste testing it. The kids loved it. When I tell you that every bit of it was gone, every bit of it was gone. Add a little salt to taste, and there you go. No stir zucchini risotto. Bon appetit.